here.
It's not this way.
My phone's locked up. What do I do?
Greg said I got to hit that gold. Oh, you do? Yeah, the gold thing.
You gotta hit this arm right here. So if I hold that arm right there.
No, not a bit. When do I start, Mom?
Ready? Go.
Go, Jackie. Get ready, Paul!
Very
3 each, Paul.
Gotta wait for the bucket to go up.
Make sure that bucket's full.
I'm surprised he's allowed to do that.
Okay.
Hit it.
She got her.
Wow, she's good. I threw 25 balls and didn't hit that thing.
Back up!
25?
Back up. Look at her. Did you play softball?
I did.
She's good with pies and balls. Yes, she is.
And any other thing that she gets pulled.
Okay, Jackie.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
That's okay. Good job.
Who's up next? Come on, Martha, get up there.
Sarah's going to be next.
Who's throwing for you?
Come on,
Sarah. That's so like a girl. You can't hit that disc. What's wrong?
Just walk up there and push it.
Who's next?
Aha.
Hey, just remember this, boy. You can be written out of the will.
I was tempted to go up there and push it.
Ah, you know bad.
See how we started with Jack?
You ain't got nothing.
You're our ace to hold, girl.
I'm trying. Nothing's gonna happen to me. What do you know? Come on, Lefty. Come on, Lefty. You can't. Come on, Lefty. You see that? That's where you got to hit right there. Is that? Don't you do it? Don't you do it?
Get ready for it.
Ball's
That was for you.
Is it reset?
Yeah, it's fine.
I was cheating.
No, Paul. No, Paul.
That means you're going to hit him in the face.
Good job, Wally. Good job. Good job. Good job.
This is ridiculous.
Hey,
Keep your hands off of it.
Keep your hands off.
church. The money's going towards the church
Are
anyway.
you kidding? It would probably be everywhere.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hey, if you do this, I'll forget our anniversary next year.
Oh. You're close. You're
You
close.
can't hit
You
nothing.
can do it.
People from these
Come on,
can't hit
Wendy.
anything.
Come on,
Yeah, of course, like I did,
You
Wendy.
can't hit that disc right there.
Come on, Wendy. Come on,
You can't do
Wendy.
it. Ah.
Good try, Wendy.
Get up there.
Okay.
Oh, higher, Zoe.
I'm not kidding. Don't you hit that target.
Higher.
You can't do it. I'm telling you.
Okay, Tony.
She's throwing at the
Nope,
face.
nope, nope. Can't do it.
Oh, she almost. Three.
No, I was probably. Come on, bud. You can do it.
Hey, what? Hey.
It's all right, bud.
See how much I'm not worried about it. I'm just going to
Come on, bud.
be thankfully.
Come on, bud.
Come on, bud. You can do it. You can do it.
So much in the love and Bill Rader.
John, Todd. John. John's got muscles.
I know. I don't know why it's not, because he even hit it that one time.
One,
Why isn't it?
two.
It's just a little bit long.
It is my divine power that is stopping the ball from hitting the target. That and I'm holding this piece right
You
here.
better get your stick out of there.
That's three. Yeah, no worries here, four.
Toddy, give us some strike. It's okay, Toddy.
Toddy
Man,
is
they're running the
smart.
bases on
It's
you.
all good.
Seriously, I keep hitting that thing the whole time.
I know.
Yeah, high ball.
Don't try as hard, baby.
Yeah.
got to hit that target, not this target. That target. See that one over there?
Right when I do it.
Pitching it.
Go back to yourself.
Point it out.
You're out of here.
I thought he was going to take me off the birthday card.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself for thinking about that.
Come on,
Hey,
Fred.
this is
You can do
baseball,
it. You
right?
can do it.
Probably pretty good.
Yeah, go ahead.
I ain't worried about nothing. You can't hit that thing. You throw it like a girl. You ain't got nothing on it.
I mean, it hit.
Don't worry about it. Everybody else is just going to have to wait. You had your fun. You can't throw.
Oh, she's
Oh,
doing
she's so
good.
close.
See
Friend.
that disc right
Yeah,
there?
close.
Yeah.
Just a little
See
bit.
that circle? See that circle? That's where you're supposed to hit. Maybe if you put your glasses on, you'll be able to see better. Huh? Can't hit that thing.
Go, Sarah.
Good try.
No more hitting it. No, I broke it because you're being too hard on your preacher. That's divine intervention. That's what God's telling you to stop
Three.
it.
You get three.
There you go. You can't
Yeah,
hit it.
no hitting
Can't
on the
do
hand
it.
anymore.
Bucket full.
Because we need the bucket.
Now that'll be enough of that. You're supposed to be throwing it.
He will. Oh, her.
I'm going to be throwing, but I'm going to be throwing for 6 people. So
You
get
should
ready.
be back there in the parking
Hey,
lot.
they're
though.
going to save the best for last. That's what
Best for last. I got you. All right, well, you professionals got to throw underhand.
Okay. You ready? He's got it.
Oops! You can't hit it. What kind of aim is that?
You got one.
It's like you-
And there was somebody who belonged to the same church I did,
Okay, come on, Bubba.
Where's that pitching arm at? Huh?
He pitched a lot yesterday. He pitched like
Throw it
90
like a girl. The target's up there. He's got to throw up there. This ain't nobody.
He's got it.
Come on, Toddy.
He's got it.
Taller.
Pitchers.
You got how many?
18
Oh, no,
people
no,
asked
no,
him to
no,
do it.
no.
Oh, yeah.
Toddy, down here.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
where you gotta
No, up a little bit, Toddy.
What's the problem there? Need some glasses? Call your
Five.
sister back up there.
Oh, is it 6?
Yes, there's 6 laying on the ground.
7.
I ain't got nothing to worry about. It's a light shower. It's a light shower.
Caught up, maybe.
Come on.
Toddy,
Somebody
move up
did
some.
it.
Toddy, move up some.
Harder and harder and harder.
Move up, Toddy.
Toddy, move